Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Otterbox Symmetry series case with MagSafe for the iPhone 16 Pro. You can get this for the 16 Pro Max also. Yes, I have been using Otterbox for a while now, and it was nice enough to send me out this Symmetry case for the 16 Pro. So we're going to give it a try. You can look in the description. I will have the links there if you want to pick this up. Like we normally do my case reviews, we make sure everything lines up. Does it add bulk? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? The overall fit of the case? Can you wireless charge? How strong is the magnet on here? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Nice presentation from them. It says 3-time tested, ultra slim case. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. But let's see. So you have that hard plastic, like this felt material on the inside, OtterBox logo there. It has that same like grip. The little OtterBox logo there too. Bam. How this bad boy fits. Alright, nice and snug. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. You get some lip protection, not much though. Now, this is where they could do a better job. I mean, you don't have this heavy duty case, so why not make this hole a lot smaller? I mean, you could come up to here and then up to here and still have room for the camera button cutout thing there. That's definitely something that they could work on. But everything lines up at the bottom there. The power button feels nice and tactile. Let's see if I can unlock the phone. Same thing with the volume rocker. So the buttons are great on these cases. Again, the action button works. I just don't know about the camera button, but yeah, you can get to the camera easily. If you wanted to, you can zoom in and out, so there's no problem getting to the button. But the problem is, look how much room you have exposed there. I don't know, y'all let me know. And the overall fit is good. I mean, there's no play anywhere. Definitely no play. See, I'm always thinking the camera cutout is like a power button. And to remove the case, it takes some work. And you hear that snap too, so the overall fit is good. This one does not add bulk to your phone. You can tell there's not a bulky case at all. Not at all. So look at the top too. So it's not a bulky case. Doesn't weigh a lot either. How strong is the magnet? Okay. Let's see. So again, with the OtterBox cases, I've reviewed a lot. You can wireless charge, as you can hear it. I reviewed a couple of their cases, and the magnet is not super strong, but it's not weak either. It's not one of the best ones out there, but I don't have a heavy duty like battery pack, so I don't have trouble with that. I don't have like a magnetic car holder either, so I don't have that problem either. And see how you have to shake it pretty good to get it off of there. So the magnet is doable. I don't think it's one of the worst. But let's go ahead and wrap up this video. It checks off a lot of boxes. It does have some little issues too with it. But let's start off with the positive. You have the camera cutout. You have a lot there. The lip protection could be a lot better. Make sure you have a screen protector on there. I don't like the camera cutout. That could be definitely closed up a little bit more. The buttons are great. The buttons are definitely great. I love how easy they are to press. So the buttons are great. I love the fit. The fit is really good on here. The magnet is pretty good. Again, some people may want a stronger magnet. For me, not a problem on there. The best thing about this case too is the grip. If you have like known to drop your phone, this one probably will help you out because the grip is really good on there. So that's something you may want to look into. But if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.